met a girl with a mind like this. No, no. Give you space and time like this, my love. Never met a girl so fine like this. No, 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 no. With a waste of wine like this, my love. Only a real one to tame it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, sis. Today we're going to go house hunting. We're just looking at probably 1 or 2 houses, and this is literally just to look. We're not in no rush to get anything just yet. And we're basically just leasing right now, so it's not a mortgage or anything. So yeah, come along with us on this journey. I like stairs.
Yeah.
An
You
office.
could use it as a bedroom. And then we can.
But I like the doors too.
Yeah. Can light.
Oh, it's. Oh. Oh, got the little. Okay. I'm guessing this is how all the new construction looks. I mean, a lot of them though. Oh, but this is nice. No, wait. This is a new bathroom. Hold on. I mean, no. Bro, no, don't do that. Trayshawn, no. No, do not do that. Do not do that. Oh my gosh, you look so extra. You gotta be that one motherfucker who used the bathroom at all, bro.
It's a toilet right there. You want me to hold it for you?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I like the floors. Another bathroom right here next to the master.
Unless you want to, but that's okay.
I mean, they clean, so.
I actually wanted an upstairs. Okay. Like a little movie area. It could definitely be like the movie area. Okay, here we go.
It's less than many people pay for.
What else? Okay.
95 for water. You can put that. To me, it was 75 was
Oh, there's another closet. Oh, I like how
you can
the.
open the hole here and play there.
Oh, and the garage is through here.
Over here you can create it too.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I was going to someone.
So yeah, that was our first house that we just looked at. And my personal opinion, I feel like the master bedroom and bathroom was small, and that closet kind of was small. But I do like the upstairs. But we're gonna continue looking. They are very, very close. I don't know how I feel about that, because I'm trying to have love. You can tell the backyard probably not even all that big. I'm over here being nosy to this new construction. Y'all, we really on some random stuff. Wow, I probably moved too fast with that.
He said, look, I ain't gonna lie. I think the rent,
As a motherfucker, yeah.
I know. Ooh, I know.
That's why we can always just ask. Ooh, cause it's very spacious.
But, yeah, I'm about to say, but this shit ain't like kind of perfect.
Bro, like, look at this. This one? Oh, never mind. Again? Bro, you gonna have to get it together. Oh my gosh. Again, bro, like, okay, where's the master bedroom?
I think it's back here.
Nice little couch though.
2 for the garage.
Oh, so this is the master bedroom. Closet not that big, but
65-inch screen
I
TV
love
right
the
here.
way this right. I love the way this thing is.
Oh, it slides? Oh, yeah.
But they don't have the tub too.
Huh?
They don't have the tub as well. It's just this.
Ugh.
This is literally like, well, okay, this is like the, what they say, what he say, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom?
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
But it's cool though.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a cool home, backyard.
Me personally, I feel like this is kind of, it's bigger than our crib, but it's kind of feels like as big as our crib. Well, no, because this area giving more space. It's done. But it's some rosé and stuff too. Like what? But yeah, it's cool. Ooh, that's a little walk. So, ooh, yeah, I got me a little soda. My hair is jacked up. This is literally on some random stuff. We did not plan on doing this today. Not even gonna lie. I like this. I kind of do want a 2-story. But you don't like that. But I feel like it's just extra room. Come on, sweet pea. And then I like how they do the doors. Yes, this mud is nice. This hoe is nice. Yes, I like this. This is more me. And then put the TV right there. My camera is so blurry right now. Yeah, okay, now the camera look better, y'all. But this is nice. Yeah, this is some nice space for the dogs. And then you know we're gonna get the patio furniture anyways. Of course I wish it was a little bigger, but shoot, got the little thing right there. And I mean it's not a big island, but I like it. Ooh, and I might copy they thing like this. But I like this. Ooh, and I gotta copy that too. Okay, close it up. Let me see, this is the only pantry area they got. It's cool though. Okay, let's go ahead and go upstairs or go over here. I like it though. Okay, so this is the first bathroom. Restroom, whatever. Two-car garage.
Electric water heater.
Electric. Smell like, you can tell this new. Smell like food, like candy or something. Oh, this boy got to do this every time. But okay, I like this. Let's go I guess this like some little storage. I might need that. Or you know what we could have made this? The dog area.
No.
Yeah. For the dogs.
Lock their ass up.
Okay, that's a nice little closet. Oh, you didn't see it. I mean, it's just a nice closet, you know. Actually have like our suitcases and stuff in there.
Sabo room, Denzo room.
Oh my gosh. I love this place, honestly. I mean, it's not as big as I would want, like, you know, with the living room. But it's literally just us and 2 dogs. But, okay, stairs. Dog's not allowed up the stairs because it's carpet. Hallway that leads to something. Okay, I guess we can start right here. Okay, so this one bathroom. Cool.
I like they minimized the carpet. Carpets on the end of the bedrooms or like that. They ain't had a carpet out here.
But this is a nice little guest room though. Of course you won't have that window like that because it's not gonna be this exact house. This is literally the model home. So I'm guessing these are the two guest rooms. Yeah, but you know they got the two little. Dang, we is hot, bro. I can see they roof. Thought you was gonna lock me in here. I'm about to say you always want to play. So this must be the master bedroom. Oh, they probably just ain't put the stuff in there. Okay, now that's crazy. Oh yeah, this is the master. I like how they decorate. I'm assuming. It's nice though. It's like everywhere I'm seeing, I mean the closet is nice, but everywhere that I'm seeing, the closet isn't as big as the one we got now. I mean, of course, this probably is just a little bit. I don't like that. I mean, I'll deal with it for like a year, but I do want a tub. But it's like, I'll deal with this though. Yeah, I don't mind this. You got the his and hers. Nice shower though. I mean, I like it. It's something to consider, but it's nothing to just be like, oh yeah, this the one.
I bet they can't hang shit on that wall.
But I do like this though. Well, we're gonna keep looking, period.
This is possibly gonna be one of the phases.
Bro, ain't no way. Oh my gosh. 3-car garage right there. So yeah, we're back at home. It's too hot. And then I can't be walking around with just these little bit of lashes on. So we back at home. Finna watch a movie. Yeah, it's too hot. I can't thrive in this type of heat, okay? So let me come back to the crib where my air is on 70. And the food is in the fridge. So yeah. I'm gonna check in with y'all probably tomorrow, honestly.
So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah.
Okay, well I guess I gotta change that. I guess I gotta stop saying that. I do. It's just like I be nervous because I don't know what to say.
How about you think about it first before you hit the video?
You know what?
I'm not trying to be
I love when someone can tell you, they'll tell you and they'll critique you because that's the only way you're gonna become better, you know? So I appreciate that.
So yeah. So yeah.
I hope you know I'm adding all of this. But yeah, get you somebody who's gonna critique you on your YouTube videos because
So yeah. So yeah.
I can't stand you. But we're about to watch Narnia. I just seen Narnia for the first time a few days ago. Now we're about to watch Narnia Prince Caspian. Did I say it right? I'm not gonna say so yeah. But anyways, guys, girls, friends, everybody. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. And
So yeah.
I knew he was gonna say that. But I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Love y'all.